2022 kawuono en tarik 10 dwe mar 12 higa mar 2022. So today I want to talk about tuo or sick. Because I'm sick, I have a cold, so I just say no. When I have a cold, let me just do a video on when you're sick, what to say, how to say it, and stuff like that. Also, I've not been in the channel for a long time, like I've been missing in action for a while, so I thought, wait, why not use this opportunity to just come back and reactivate the channel. So please tell your friends that we are back. We may not be as regular as possible, but we're trying, okay? So today I'm sick, so you would be asking, Idi Nade, how are you? How are you going? How is it going? How's they going? Ah, no, it should be the other way around. Idi Nade, how is it going? How is it going? Idi Nade, how is it going? Idi Nade. Then I will respond by saying Atuo. Atuo. No, I even forgot how to do this thing. This should be the English language. I am sick. So when I say I am sick, that in Luo translates to Atuo. Atuo. I am sick. Atuo. Idi Nade. Atuo. I'm sick. Atuo. So then, the next part of the conversation is someone asking you, so what kind of, how are you sick? What's the problem? You know? So that's the part that we're going into. Because the first part is Idi Nade. And Idi Nade becomes, how are you? How is it going? And the next thing is Atuo. Atuo meaning I am sick. So what could be the problem? And because it's my problem, I want to explain it here, okay? En ango ma tuoi. En ango ma tuoi. What is the problem? Why are you sick? How are you sick? What could be the problem? Okay? En ango ma tuoi. En ango ma tuoi. So, I have many conditions. The first one is I have a sore throat. So I have a sore throat. That's the first one. So duonda rama duaro ni aike seche duto. So that's the first problem I have. I have a sore throat that requires that I just do, you know that thing? Now in Luo that is called ikoduon. So duonda rama duaro ni aike seche duto. I have a sore throat that requires that I keep on coughing every time, okay? Duonda rama duaro ni aike seche duto. Then I also have a running nose. I have a running nose. Uma bende chuer. Okay, chuero othinyo. Uma bende chuero othinyo. I also bende is also. I also have a running nose. Uma bende chwero othinyo. Okay? Now, I have my temperature is rising. My body temperature is rising. Then you say, in that case, you say, denda chwakore. Denda chwakore. My body temperature is rising. Denda chwakore. And what else? What else? I feel dizzy. Wiya rundore. I feel dizzy. Wiya rundore. Wiya rundore. Okay? And maybe I have a stomach. My stomach is rumbling. I have a rumbling stomach. Iya ludore. Kendo mor. Okay? I have constipation and I feel like my stomach is having some sounds. Okay? So more is the sound. So let's just rephrase. Let's redo this. I'm talking about someone who is sick. Today I'm sick, so I just said, why not do a video of someone who is sick? How is it going? Ide nade? And I'll respond, atuo. I'm sick, atuo. So then you'd ask me, why, how, what, where? Okay? What could be the problem? En ango ma tuoi. En ango ma tuoi. And the first thing I have is called a sore throat. I will say, duondarama duaro ni aike seche duto. That means I got a sore throat that requires that I just do everywhere, every now and again, okay? I don't know how that is called in English. So duondarama duaro ni aike seche duto. That's the first thing. The second thing, uma bende chwero othinyo. Uma bende chwero othinyo. That means that I have a running nose, so I have to use this every time. Okay? Then denda chwakore. My body temperature is rising. Denda chwakore. Then I feel dizzy. Wiya rundore. Wiya rundore. I feel dizzy. Iya ludore kendo mor. Iya ludore kendo mor. So that means my stomach is rumbling. Then the last thing is I have a cough. An kod ahonda. Ahonda. An kod ahonda. I have a cough. So those are some of the disease. When you have a fever, you're coughing, you have a headache, you have your throat is sore. That is how you say it. So the next thing would be talking about the medication. Okay. So what's the medication? So you'd ask me, have you taken any medication? Have you taken any medication? Bende ise manyo manyasi. Okay? Bende ise manyo manyasi. Now, medication, depending on where you take it from, you can also say bende ise manyo yath. So traditional medication, or I don't know what they call traditional. The traditional medication is the one that we call What? The traditional one is called, I forgot the word. But traditional medication is Manyasi. Then if you go to the pharmacy, that is the yath, the one that you get from the doctor. So that is yath. Bende isemanyo yath. Have you looked for any medication? Have you taken any medication? Then because I've not taken, I would say, I am yet to see a doctor or take medication. I am yet to see a doctor or take medication. Podi ok aneno ajuoga kata kao yath. Okay? Podi ok aneno ajuoga kata kao yath. I have not seen a doctor and I have not taken medication. Podi ok aneno ajuoga kata kao yath. I have not seen a doctor or taken any medication. Podi ok aneno ajuoga kata kao yath. Why so? Why so? Nango kamano. Why so? Nango kamano. Why haven't you taken medication? Why haven't you seen a doctor? Why so? And I will say, my condition started this morning. Okay? Tuo ne ochaka kawuono okinyi. My condition started this morning. Tuo ne ochaka kawuono okinyi. I will see the doctor tomorrow. Tomorrow. I don't know how to spell tomorrow. Hala? Kiny ne adhi neno ajuoga. Okay? Kiny ne adhi neno ajuoga. So, at this point, I think the only thing that is remaining... Oh, I forgot to say that I am sneezing a lot. Let me include that. I sneeze. Many times a day. I sneeze many times. Agir mathoth odiochieng. Okay? Agir mathoth odiochieng. I sneeze many times a day. So at this point, you can see I have so much problems. You will just tell me, hey, I wish you well. I hope you get well soon, okay? I hope you get well soon. I hope you get well soon. An kod geno ni ibiro chango machiegni. An kod geno ni ibiro chango machiegni. An kod geno ni ibiro chango machiegni. Good. So I hope you learned something in this video. This was a real video, like I'm really sick. And I just wanted to at least put a video out today because our channel is doing badly. So guys, if you know of someone who wants to learn Luo, please tell them about our channel. Tell them that we've done very many videos. And we always welcome feedback. So you can write your feedback on the comment section of any of our videos. We shall be able to see them. And if it deserves a response, we shall respond. I know that someone gave me video ideas just the other day. Which one was it? Let me just, I'm just looking through. Yeah, someone gave me some video ideas. I'm laying them out. I'll be able to do some video ideas very soon. So if you have video ideas of how you want to learn the Luo language, also please remember you can always send them to us. You can find us at luoenglishdictionary@gmail.com, or you can go to the community section, or you can write on you can find us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Patreon, anywhere. We are all over the place. So, or our website. Soon as you have an idea, please send the idea to us. We shall be very, very grateful that you enriched the Luo language. I hope that gives you a great, great, great way to end this, and that was beneficial to you. So you have a good night. I hope I get well soon, okay? Bye, bye. Bye, 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 bye. Oh, there you go. Thank you for your message.